Wait till I get you on the floor, good looking. Hey, going hot so hot, just like an oven. And I'll burn myself, I just had to touch it. It's so fine, and it's all mine. What's going on, y'all? How y'all doing? I hope you all are doing well on today. In this video, I am playing with some hair I was sent from VIVI Bobby hair. I want to send a huge thank you to them for allowing me to try out their hair. They sent me 4 bundles and a lace frontal of their loose deep wave texture. I'm sorry I don't remember the origin, but I will have it listed down below in the description box. But I have a 20-inch frontal, 122-inch bundle, 124-inch bundle, and 226 inches. Okay, so I did hand make my wig. I sewed it by hand, so this is how it looks on the inside. And of course I showed you all how I did my baby hairs and all of that, so I went ahead and laid them down and pre-styled the wig. I know y'all know I am a glueless install type of girl, so of course I'm using my bed head hard head spray. That's been my holy grail for a minute now.
All black at the white show, white shoes with the black show, green car for the Cuban links. Y'all sit back and enjoy the light show. Nothing exceeds like a sex. Style got from having the best of the best. This what it's all about. I'm at the rest, the bump, my rent, disturbing the guest. Tears with the stress, tears on the dress. Try to hide the face with some makeup set. This is trouble season. Time for tuxedos for no reason. All saints for my angel. Alexander Wang too. Ass tight denim and some dunks. Show you how to do this, y'all. No papers, catch papers, get high.
I always get the question, do I have my blow dryer on cool or high heat when I'm blow drying my hair or blow drying it to apply it? I start off using low heat, but then in between or like during the process, I'll like switch it to medium heat or high heat. So I just kind of play around with the heat settings. All of them work just fine. They all do the same thing, but I just play around with my heat settings. After I finish applying it, I do go in and comb out my baby hairs because they can be kind of stuck after the process. So I just gently comb my baby hairs to get them unstuck from my head. To further help my lace blend with my skin, I do use my foundation powder. I'm using the Ruby Kisses. It's pretty much like a contour shade for me, and I'm using the shade Cognac. To set my baby hairs back in place, I'm just using a tiny little bit of Eco Styler gel. You don't have to use much. I just use like a tiny dot of gel on each like section. I just like use that to mold my baby hairs back down. In my part, I'm using my concealer that I use to highlight with, which is my NARS. I forgot the shade color, so please forgive me, but I use this shade to highlight. And I'm using that because, you know, typically your scalp is a little bit lighter than like your face or around your face. So instead of using that contour shade that I use around the hairline, I use my highlight shade. I can't take it to the grave. I did add some spare hair that I had from like a while ago. I added that to my ponytail to make it a little bit fuller. And you know, of course, I'm taking me a little piece and I'm just gonna wrap that around the base to cover the band from when I added the hair. But of course, if I didn't add any hair, I would have did this anyway because it just looks cute. All these bad bitches can't slang. Broke ass nigga, get a clue. All these niggas know how we do. Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to sway. If ain't take the pain. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shawty praise. And the money talks, what is there to say? Blow away, watch it blow away. When I die, can't take it to the grave.
niggas like to swing. It bang, take a little bang. Every day spilling up drain. She want the whole crew, shawty break. When the money talks, what is there to say?
I'm just using water to define the waves, so I didn't use any other product but water.
Take it to the grave.
Right here, I'm just taking my organics coconut oil finishing spray, or like the shine spray, to add some shine to my hair. And this is a holding spray by Sebastian Shaper. I like using it to keep my hair in place and my little ponytail in place so it won't move throughout the day. And I did take some Got to Be Free spray as well. I just took a little bit and kind of just use it to keep it in place as well.
Know some young niggas like to sway. Know some young niggas like to sway.
But yeah, y'all, this is the finished look. This is how long the hair falls on me. Again, the longest length I have is a 26 inch. The hair is very pretty. It was very, very soft. Okay. Huge thank you again to VIVI Bobby hair, or VIVI Babi hair. Thank y'all so much for allowing me to try this hair. I did love it. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Any questions, comments, or concerns, leave them down below for me. I'm going to talk to you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye.